Yeah, I just traded my car in.
I like.
Oh, driving a Supra. Hey yo, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another video. You know, we got breakfast real quick. Sheesh, mine. This is kind of cold though. 42. Jeez, man. Hey yo, good morning guys. Welcome back to another video. Got the Red Bull. Sheesh, peep. Hey, what? Nah, but real talk though, we better go meet up with the homie with the Supra, get a little cruise along. Maybe some rollers for him too, honestly. His shit kind of clean. I need to get some rollers for the Z, man, but nobody wants to record. Nobody wants to record for a nigga. I'm finna leave, man, for 6 months. Gonna say goodbye to the Z for a little bit. Bro, somebody hit my door. Y'all probably can't see it, man. Somebody hit the door and was like, bro, they just drove off. I mean, I didn't see him personally. I would've fucked him up, really. That thing's clean, bro. Sheesh. Back at it. Shut the fuck up.
Look at this gay ass bitch. Oh.
You know, I just scooped a Supra.
Brand new Supra.
Oh. Driving a Supra.
Then we got a shitty ass 350Z in the back. Burning oil.
I just traded my Turbo Z for a Supra. He was his BMW was as good as mine.
Okay, why is it beeping on you, bro?
Because your seatbelt isn't on.
Oh, my bad.
Whoa! I hit it? Jeez.
Better be careful, son. Better be careful, son. She got the Subi with the Brembo sticker? Damn. Watch him fucking hit that shit.
Wrap this bitch. Sheesh. Yeah, I just traded my car in.
I like. What do you have to say about the new whip?
I'm about to blow it up next week and get a Mark IV because I don't know why I even got a Mark V. I'm sorry because I'm roasting guys.
What's up, dog? How you doing? What's up, Eugene? Eugene?
Sorry guys, I couldn't afford a Mark IV, so I just bought a Mark V instead. I'm sorry. I'll try better. Damn.
It looks so new.
I try, man.
Fuck, nigga. They still cooking.
Alright, boys. Unfortunately, I didn't really want the Supra. It was too slow for me, to be honest. Even Dale said it.
Yeah, that shit was slow as fuck.
That
My
shit was
Volvo
slow
could
as
get that shit.
You can fucking smell clutch in here. He was driving. He didn't know how to drive.
And besides, in the Supra, you don't get these cool little gauges.
2 of them don't even work, guys. I'm sorry. Get the Legacy B4? Jeez. They used to have one.
What you guys don't know is that every second inside this car burns up at least half a quart of oil. Red Bull sponsor T-Bar 11. He really needs the money for a new engine after he blows this shit up.
Damn.
Now, guys, if we get at least 3 likes on this video, me and Brandon will film an OnlyFans video inside this car. Fuck, bitch.
Hit your head.
Send me nudes.